Preventing occupational accidents and diseases is key for the productivity and sustainability of your business. Effective prevention can be achieved by designing and implementing policies and strategies based on data and information. International labor standards stipulate that all employers employing one or more workers should make adequate arrangements to record and notify the competent authorities about occupational accidents and diseases. They also stipulate that employers should make arrangements to facilitate workers' cooperation in the fulfillment of employers' obligations. In most countries, their recording and notification to competent authorities is an employer's obligation. What events do you need to record and notify to the competent authority in your country? An occupational accident is an occurrence arising out of, or in the course of, work, which results in fatal or non-fatal injury. An occupational disease is defined as any disease contracted as a result of an exposure to risk factors arising from work activity. As appropriate, dangerous occurrences are readily identifiable events as defined under national laws and regulations, with potential to cause an injury or disease to persons at work or to the public. Commuting accidents are accidents resulting in death or personal injury occurring on the direct way between the place of work and 1. The worker's principal or secondary residence, or 2. The place where the worker usually takes a meal, or 3. The place where the worker usually receives his or her remuneration. Who should do what? There are several things that employers can do to facilitate reporting, recording, and notification of accidents and diseases. In consultation with workers or their representatives, set up a mechanism for workers to provide the necessary information to supervisors or employers. Provide information and training to workers on the reporting mechanism and recording arrangements, and on how to reduce the risk of exposure to similar events. Promote that workers follow the agreed reporting mechanism at the enterprise and provide the required information to the employer's representative. Identify a competent person who receives and records information on occupational accidents, diseases, commuting accidents, and dangerous occurrences, notifies the competent authority, investigates, prepares reports, and carries out corrective actions, and keeps records. Maintain the records to ensure they are available at all reasonable times. Ensure that policies are in place to prevent retaliatory or disciplinary measures against workers who report. Ensure confidentiality of personal and medical information. Employers who fail to notify the competent authority, as required by national law and regulations, may incur penalties or face prosecution. Cooperation between employers and workers is essential to ensure safety and health for all. Improving occupational safety and health means improving global health. For more information, visit ilo.org/VZF.